Hello darlings, in this video I will be unboxing a mini sewing machine that I bought from Shopee. So just keep on watching.
1, 2, 3, come on!
Hello darlings, it's me again Zhan. If you're new to our channel, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell to get updated videos. Thank you! In this video, we will be unboxing mini sewing machine. Just keep on watching. Siya ang akuan mini sewing machine. Okay, and as what you've seen, na siya sticker nga nakasuwat of easily broken, and it should be handled with care. So kani nga sticker maybe can help the rider nga need siya mag-careful because basing mabuak ang kaning product, right? So at least, diba? And also, as what you've observed, ang box kay naka-bubble wrap jud siya, no? So, as in, ganahan kay ko pagkadawat niya, but I still don't know if unsa ang sewed niya, if complete ba or what. And by the way, I bought this sewing machine for around 356 pesos at Franco Fashion Shop in Shopee. I will just be placing the link on the description box, okay? Para in case if you want to order mini sewing machine, then that can also help you decide if you want this shop or you want to choose another shop as well. Okay, so let's start unboxing it. I'm very excited. Okay, so let's start unboxing. Oh my god. Grabe siya siya pagka pagka scotch tape kay di na yun siya maabalik. And by the way, also darlings, apologies no kay I'm really not used to in making review or unboxing a product. This is my first time, so I'm not really fond of doing like that because oh lang. So let's continue. Ang manok, sige ragtugtog ako. Saan yun ako? Sauce ako. Ano ko pag-open? But at least kanaw, dili jud ko makaingon nga. Grabe jud kay ilahang pag-amping sa ng product kay bisag ikaw sa pag-abri nimo kay nalisod man ka, diba? Okay. At least dili boring akong video kay manok sa background, diba? My goodness, naglisod ko. Okay, ay marang kinahanglan na siya ko gunting. Okay, gunting. So actually darlings, na-receive niya ko siya is last Tuesday, pero since busy sa work and karon ra ko naka-open niya kay RD man ako. So, first, wala jud ko nag I really did not expect nga mopalit jud ko og mini sewing machine because ang akong aim is katujong bigger sewing machine. But since syempre ultimo raman ta nga pagkatao, we have no choice. I mean, I don't have a choice, pero I didn't have a choice but to buy mini sewing machine. And I also watched a lot of reviews about mini sewing machine. And so far, so good naman. So I decided to buy a mini sewing machine instead of the bigger one. Okay, syempre katong bigger one worth thousands naman to sila. Kani kay kuan raman siya below 500, so let's just try if worth it ba gyud kani siya nga product. Okay, so yun na siguro. Hapit na nakikita ko na ang liwanag. So, nakita na ako ang word na sewing machine. So, meaning hapit na jud. Okay. Please ha, in fairness sa kuan ha, sa seller. So, gusto ko niya pa-open. So, meaning, grabe jud kayo ng iyahang pag-amping sa product. Hapit na. Oh my God. Hapit na. I need... Pwede mo na sabihin mo? Yay! Oh my God. Mao ni ang noun niya sa box. So, it says here kung unsa ang mga naa sa sud sa box. Okay, so let's try to check if it's really legit no nga kung unsay nasubat diri sa box nga naa sa sud kay naa ba jud. Okay, so let's try to check. This is the one. Okay. And here. Okay, so let's try to open now. Okay. Okay. Ta-da! So here is it. Okay, so as I open the box, there's the manual here. So makita na gyud nimo ang manual. So makita na gyud nimo ang manual. So this can really help, hopefully, in arranging this one in case, no? So atong i-keep ang kaning manual nga atong makita. Para syempre, in case kung you have questions regarding on how to fix the sewing machine or what is happening to your sewing machine, then you can get answers here sa manual. Oh my God, it's time. Okay, so as you can see, naa siya styrofoam sa kung ano, isigilid sa sewing machine. So it's really safe. Aside sa bubble wrap nga atong gi-open, na naglisod siya open ganina, is there's also a styrofoam. So, hopefully, wala dyan na damage ang atong sewing machine. Okay, so, before na to ko ang ato ang sewing machine, already see this one. Okay, so, now this time, let's start. Okay, let's now get this sewing machine. Okay, medyo lisod ko no. Okay, as you can see, na dayon siya. Makita na din mo ang foot pedal. If sakto ko, mauba na siya. Yes, sakto jud. Foot pedal gid siya. Kung unsa ang mga nasuwat outside the box is really legit. You can really see it here. You can really see it here. Okay, so far sa akong na-observe is okay naman siya. We really have 4 bobbins and we have 1 needle, okay? And also we have the foot pedal, and of course the sewing machine itself. So that's it, darlings. Thank you so much for watching. don't forget to subscribe to our channel and turn on the notification bell to get an updated videos. Thank you!